So the Trump train has a bunch of people down here in Brookings.
We're all going back.
Fantastic. Some people are staying for lunch.
Oh no, these people are all going back.
These are all going back.
They're coming from Port Orford.
Look at that. Fantastic. I don't know how many now. Gee, maybe 50 or more. Right? It's a lot.
Guys going back to Coos Bay? Oh, through town. All right. All right. We got twice as many people here. Yeah, we only had about 20 cars, I think.
This is gorgeous. Beautiful. What a perfect day. What a perfect day. This is great, right? Perfect time.